In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you how you will be able to earn free NFTs that has a value into the market via Galaktika world by mining inside alien worlds. So before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates. Okay, so let's go forward here. So just by having a boarding pass, you will be having a whitelisting, an airdrops, and also a mining permit. So what happens here is if you have a mining permit. So this is what happens, okay? So when you are mining on planets Veles 20.6 or Naron 24.9, then you can get a cosmic spark or a spark inside this game. Okay, so how does it actually work? I will be showing it to you right now. Okay, so this is the mine pool of Galaktika. So as you can see here, there are a lot of sparks that you can get, and if you're going to look forward here, okay, as long as you're going to mine at least 0.01 TLM every hour, you get a one raffle entry. And if you have 0.025 TLM, you will be getting two raffle entries. So there will be one winner every hour in Galaktika, and just by trying it, okay, we just going to buy this one. I mean, we just going to mine this, and the good part here is that you're able to earn these NFTs, these valuable NFTs in Galaktika, but also you are getting profits here in Alien Worlds as well. So it's more like a double kill for me, and it really sounds good into my ears as well, especially if you are just looking for a game that is really much like earning money, but I mean, it's just performing well. And let me just like finish this for just real quick. So I'm just going to wait, and let's see if we got 0.01. So this is actually like the sweet spot here. Okay, so you see I've received 0.0134 TLM from my efforts, and what happens here is that, okay, I automatically get one raffle entry. That's just how easy it is. And if I'm going to do this for the next 1 hour, I'm just going to back maybe around 6 minutes, or I mean, I'm just going to do this once every 5 minutes. So that's more like 2 times 6. Wait for a moment. So I got a 12 raffle entries. Okay, so you'll be able to get this, and also you are keeping all of these TLM stake inside this game. And the good thing here is that if you have what they call, if you have certain Galactica cards, okay, you'll be able to get a bonus entry. So how you will be able to see it? Just go forward into the card bonus schedule, and then look forward into this part right here. So this is the cards that are getting a bonus or a raffle entries, and this is also the date. So let's say for today it is September 19. So for those people who are holding this titanium meteorite, blah 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 blah, and also for the times at 7 a.m., 3 p.m., and also 11 p.m., a lot of cards are qualified. So you are having this big chances to win if you are into this, if you are active and also mining inside Alien Worlds. And of course, play to earn games or blockchain games are meant to be fun. So these profits that we're going to get is just a bonus of it. Okay, so I will also be giving away at least 6 boarding passes. So as you can see here into my screen, let me just go here real quick. So I will be giving away 6 boarding passes for those 6 lucky viewers into my YouTube channel. So make sure to put down below your wax address so that I will be able to add it here, and also be able to give you this, because this is a valuable asset. If you're going to look forward here, the price of these boarding passes is way what do you call that, expensive. It is around 300 watts each. So make sure to check this one out. You don't actually want to miss into this part, so take advantage of it while we are still having this kind of giveaways. And also special shout out to Galaktika Unicorn for giving me this kind of opportunity to be able to share this kind of rewards and also promos, wherein you will be getting free NFTs just by playing Alien Worlds. And that's just like double kill. I call this one double kill, because you are hitting 2 eggs in one shot. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates, and see you on the next video.